Well, we stay with the Supreme Court because it has rejected a last-minute bid by President-elect Donald Trump to halt sentencing in his hush money case. The top court denied Mr. Trump's emergency application seeking to block Friday's sentencing by a 5-4 vote. He'd been convicted in a New York court of covering up payments to an adult film performer. Two Conservative judges joined the three Liberals to reject Mr. Trump's bid to delay the hearing. This was his reaction to the decision.
Well, they called for an appeal, and as you know, they acknowledged what the judge said about no penalty, and there's no penalty. But we're going to appeal anyway, just psychologically, because frankly, it's a disgrace. It's a judge that shouldn't have been on the case. He's a highly conflicted judge, and they called for an appeal. So I read it, and I thought it was a fair decision, actually. So I'll do my little thing tomorrow. They can have fun with their political opponent. As you know, I'm under a gag order from a judge. This is a first. This was an attack of a political opponent. And if you take a look at it, I'm not supposed to be talking about it, so I won't.
Well, Mr. Trump has also said he's arranging a meeting with Vladimir Putin. He said the Russian leader had wanted to meet. The US president-elect gave no timeline. He was responding to a question from a reporter at his Mar-a-Lago club. Mr. Trump reiterated his willingness to negotiate an end to the war in Ukraine.
That's a war that would have never happened if I were president, and it's a war that I'm going to try really to stop as quickly as I can. The number of people dying on a daily basis, and I get the reports every single day, and largely soldiers at this point, but the number of people, both Russia and Ukraine, it's staggering.